Hiya, in this video I'm going to show you how you can do a screen recording, recording your computer screen and everything you do on it with your voice talking through something. And we're going to use in this video Screen-cast-o-matic, which is a web-based recorder that you can use on most computers. Okay, so what we're going to start with is go to the website. So I put in I didn't even put it in right, Screen-cast-o-matic in my Google search, and here is the website. It's called Screencast-o-matic. Click on that, and we're going to do the start recording for free. This option is very simple. There's a very simple editor on it. You can upgrade, you can pay more, and you get more editing features and lots of other functions. But for doing a very short video on a computer quickly, this is fine. Okay, so if you click on start recording for free, and then launch free recorder, what should happen is you'll get a pop-up box, something like this, or it might be in the bottom left hand side of the screen, and just click open. Then whilst it loads, then you should get this box pop up with record screen. So you should make sure that it's on screen. Here it says max time. Now if you wanted to do a longer recording you would have to upgrade, but short videos are better, I recommend. And then size, so you've got the option of full screen, so that records everything that you can see on your screen, or you can just make it the active window, so if you've got one web page you want to show. Or alternatively, if you click on either of these, it just does a section, but then you can alter the section. So if there was a particular part of your screen that you wanted to record, you could do that. For this I'm just going to do a full screen recording. Now you can see here the green bars flashing. That's because I'm talking, and that shows you that your microphone is working. If they're not flashing, then your microphone is not connected, and you need to check that. And you can just check here that it's set up with the correct microphone. There's no option to record computer audio here, so if I got a ding of an email and I wanted to record it, I can't on this program, but if I upgraded I could. You don't need that for this, okay? So really it's as simple as making sure it's on screen, checking the requirements, and then clicking record. It simply counts you down, and when it says go, you go, so you start speaking. You might want to prepare something written down so that you can read it as you go, or some notes to follow. And then it's recording now everything I've got on my screen. So if I had a PowerPoint that I wanted to run through, I could go through it and talk through it. If I wanted to go into my Word document or onto the internet, anything here shows, okay? Then when I finished, I simply clicked pause and then done. Okay, and then I've got two options. Save and upload. If I think I'm happy with it, it's fine. Click on this. Or if you want to trim it slightly, you might want to click on edit video. If you click on edit, it's really very simplistic. Again, they're trying to get you to upgrade, but you don't need to. So click no thanks. And then if, for example, at the beginning I coughed or I did something I didn't want, I can just simply click on the end and pull it along and trim the edge of the video. Same goes for the ending, trim, and that's fine. There is a limited option to add music. This is up to you if you want to do this. It randomly picks 3. Last time I did this when I was practicing, I had heavy metal choice. This time I have chill. You can listen to a sample to see if you like it, and you can tick the box if you want to add it, but it's not necessary. This is about captions. Unfortunately, it only enables you to add captions if you have a file already, so I wouldn't worry about that. And then you've got the option to save or upload. If you save it, you're just saving it to your folder on the computer, and that's what I'd recommend for most people. So if you click on save, and in here you can edit the name, so I'm going to put test video, and then if I click on publish, before I do that I need to choose the folder. This is going to open my folder here on the desktop. I'm going to look for my files. I'm going to add it into my experimental file. Click OK, and then when I click publish, all that's going to do is save it to my folder. There is another option to upload to YouTube. That's something I use because I've got a YouTube account, but if you don't have one, don't worry. You can still share your video doing it this way. Once that's done, it's saved. You can play it straight away, or you can click to see the folder, or you can just simply shut it down. And that's done. It takes you back to the website. It's trying to get you to buy the software, but again, for a very simple video you don't need that. Then if I want to find that file again, I go into my folder and here it is, test video. Okay, and I can play it from there. Then if I wanted to embed that onto Moodle, it'd be just simply a case of adding the file to Moodle, or I could upload it to my OneDrive account, and then from there I can share a link with students on my SC, on Moodle, via email, any way I want to, and that's what I'd probably recommend for you to do. Okay, so I hope that you understand now how you can do this with Screencast-o-matic on your computers. I'm going to do some videos on how you can use PowerPoint to record, also QuickTime on Apple, and another thing called Game Bar that should be available on our computers in college soon. But I wanted to do Screencast-o-matic first because it is something that you can access from anywhere and it doesn't depend on the software or the computer make. Okay, I hope that was useful. Thanks for watching. Bye.